There's two types of razor owners, those who have fang lights and those who don't. Today we're going to show you how to install the Tusk LED front accent lights with turn signals on your razor. This one is a 2020 Polaris RZR XP Turbo, and it didn't come with the fang lights from the factory, so we're adding them on there. Now what's nice about these ones from Tusk is you're going to be adding a turn signal at the same time, which is not something you get with the factory fang lights. So even if you have those and you want to upgrade to have the turn signal in there, you're going to want to get a set of these. Now they're super simple to install, and if your grill is this style, then it should work on your machine. But if you're not sure, then you're going to want to type your year, make, and model in on our website. Now with that being said, these are super simple to install, maybe 10 minutes. So let's go ahead and get started. To start out, you need to remove your grill. It just has two tabs on the top and it pulls right out. Now we can remove our trim piece. So we have 3 nuts on the back side of it holding it in place. We're going to use an 11mm wrench to remove those nuts, and we're going to do the top and the bottom first, and then the middle one we're just going to unscrew that and pull the trim piece out. And then we'll remove the one on the other side. Right now we're looking at the driver's side wheel well, and we're back here because we need to find our 2-pin connector. This is going to run along your existing wiring harness, and it's going to have a cap on it. So once you find that, you need to pull that down and route it over to your fang light. You're going to do the same thing on the passenger side as well. And as you guys can see, this passenger side, it's a little bit easier to route just because we can pull on this wire that's already right behind the grill. So we're just going to pull that through. We've already removed the tape that was holding it down. Now we can install the fang lights, and we're going to use those same 3 nuts on each side that we previously removed. And as you tighten these down, just make sure you don't over tighten them. As soon as they're snug, you're good. Now I'm going to plug the light into the harness, and this single yellow wire, that's going to be for the turn signals. So if you have a signal kit on your machine, you can plug that in. And last, we need to install the grill. That's how easy it is to install these Tusk LED front accent lights on your Polaris RZR. If you have any questions about this process, leave those down in the comments below. And if you need a set of these, you can pick them up on our website. We offer free shipping on orders over $75. So make sure you take advantage of that. And if you want to see more helpful content like this, subscribe to our channel. I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain ETVMC. Thanks for watching.